Hey, what's up, students? We're taking some radicals and we're multiplying them, okay? Here's what I would do first. If you have 5 square root of 2 times 8 square root of 22, I would do this first. I would just multiply the 5 and the 8, okay? This is no different than if you had like 5x times 8x, okay? What would you do? You'd take the 5 times the 8, and then the x and the x would multiply second, right? Same idea. So 5 times 8 is 40. Let's save that for later. The real trouble is the square root of 12 times the square root of 22. That's where the real trouble is. Okay, so 5 and 8 dealt with you. It's not. Don't forget about this 40. We got to save that for later. But now we got to worry about the radicals. So one thing you could do is you could make them all one big radical because that's a rule and that's okay. Let's see here. I'm trying to find pairs and squares. Well, 12, that is the square root of 4 and 3. 22 is 2 and 11. I think I found my perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. 3 is not. 2 is not. 11 is not. Ew, this one's not going to simplify very much. So I have a radical of 4, 3, 2, and 11 all being multiplied in there. Square root of 4 becomes a 2. The 3, the 2, and the 11 stay, and they're all going to remix and make a number. Let's see what I got here. Oh, geez, excuse me. Wow. Nice job, hands. 3 times 2 times 11, just throwing calculators around the place here. 66. 2 square roots of 66. 66 cannot be simplified. It can only be rewritten, so therefore it's going to stay a 66. Not done. 40 times 2 square roots of 66 would become 80 square roots of 66, or 80 rad 66. I need to say that more. That sounds a lot cooler, just saying 80 rad 66, bro. All right, double check. Let's do a slow-mo, or not a slow-mo. Let's just do a replay here. Numbers on the outside, multiply, same for later. Numbers on the inside, combine, rewrite, see what makes it out. 4 is the only perfect square, so the square root of 4 becomes a 2. 3, 2, 11 stay inside the radical sign. They mix back together to make a 66. 2 square roots of 66 times 40 becomes 80 square roots of 66, also known as 80 rad 66. All right, that's the weak garage.